We finish modeling all the clamp's parts, let's assemble them. As usual, we'll start by opening a new assembly and go to Insert Component. For now, we'll only add the body and the spindle. After we make their mates, we'll add the rest of the parts. The first mate we'll use is the concentric mate. We'll select the spindle, and right after, we're selecting the hole which the spindle will be attached to. After finishing this mate, we'll move on to the coincident mate. Select the face of the spindle and the inner face of the clamp's body. They'll be facing each other. Now we'll access Insert Component again so we can add the mobile backrest of the set. We'll habilitate Concentric Mate and select the hole located on the mobile backrest and the spindle's area where the part will be centered. Then we're facing the backrest back to the spindle. After that, we'll habilitate Coincident Mate and select the front of the backrest. Then we'll select this face of the spindle. On distance, add the value of 3.62. Finish the operation, and the part will be located correctly. Inserting the handle to the assembly, we'll habilitate Concentric Mate again and select the handle's body and the spindle's hole. To keep the handle centered on the assembly, we'll need to habilitate Coincident Mate. Select the handle's superior face and the clamp's flat face. Then, on distance, we'll input the value of 25. Now our handle is centered. To finish our handle's assembly, we're adding its head. In this case, it will be two heads because we'll attach them to each end of the handle. First, once again, we'll habilitate Concentric Mate, select the part's hole and the handle's area in which the head will be attached. Now we'll habilitate Coincident Mate and select the handle's head's flat area, then the face that it will be leaning on. For us to add that part again, it's already on the assembly environment. We just need to go to Components, select the handle's head on the list, click on it with the mouse's right button, and select Insert Part or Assembly. The software will promptly ask us the reference to which the part will be inserted. Now we just need to add the part following the same mate steps we did before. And our clamp assembly is done and ready to go. On our next videos, we'll show you how to detail those parts in 3D, how to make exploded views of those sets we assembled, and much more. Please feel free to leave any doubts or curiosities about the software in the comments below. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.